Hello everyone. Uh, One of the common query which we have got from 2 3 people, our community members only, that how do we basically set up this local JSON server? This was basically used in our JavaScript for Vapor session. So it's pretty simple. I thought of recording a video so that everyone can understand. So all you need to do is go to Google and type Node.js, and then you click on download. And since it's mine the 64-bit, I'll choose this one. You can choose as per your operating system. Then all you need to do is basically start. Typical, how do you install any software? Games, the same process, right? And then you just say install, and it will take some time to load. So once it is installed, you can check the version, right? What version it is, by just calling the command prompt and say node-v, and it says version 12. Okay, so now we have a concept called as a package manager, where people can share their work as a package and you can use it. For example, for JSON server, we have a package named JSON server, and you can have that you can search for npm JSON server, you will get this, right? And this is the URL. So all you need to do is, how do we install it? Pretty straightforward. The steps are very clear. So you just scroll down. It tells you use npm install g JSON server. So then you have to go to this and let it install. See, now it is installed. And then what it does is, it tells you that okay, once it is installed, create this file, put some data. So let's just open our good old VS Code. I have that file already ready, right? And which has basically these two endpoint, post and profile, right? And all I need to do is, let me go to cd local server, right? And then I need to just type JSON server command, right? And hopefully we shall be up and running. Yeah, so now you can see this. So these endpoint, post, comments, profiles can be accessed here. Now if I just copy this, right, and if I go here, so you see the posts which are there, right? And if you want comments, so you see the comments. And in case you want to add more values, so you can just copy paste, how many you want, doesn't matter. So it's like your own local JSON server which you have set up. So if you just refresh this, so you see all these comments. So it's very straightforward, and I find it very handy. So maybe just to get around and feel comfortable, you can use the same. So thank you. I hope it clarifies your doubt.